Hey there, today I'm going to give you a complete review of how to use Moodle, a step-by-step guide for educators and administrators. So let's get started. Moodle is a powerful learning management system, or LMS, designed to help educators create and manage online courses efficiently. It supports both in-person and fully online learning. Educators can upload and organize materials, facilitate discussions, track student progress, automate assessments, and provide timely feedback. Moodle also integrates multimedia content like videos, quizzes, and interactive assignments to boost engagement. The best part is, Moodle is highly flexible and customizable. You can set up your account quickly, personalize your profile, and explore the dashboard to access courses, forums, and messaging tools. Creating a new course is simple. Just add course details, choose a format, set enrollment methods, and publish. Uploading learning materials like files, videos, and quizzes is straightforward, and you can adjust settings for visibility, due dates, and completion tracking. Enrolling students is easy with manual or self-enrollment, and announcements keep students informed about updates, deadlines, and events. Overall, Moodle helps educators deliver a smooth, interactive, and engaging learning experience. However, there are some limitations. New users may find the interface overwhelming at first due to its many features. Some advanced customization options require time to learn. Integrating third-party tools can occasionally be tricky, and performance depends on stable internet connectivity. And that wraps it up. Appreciate you watching. See you in the next.